What is going on, guys? Sterling here, and today we're going to take a look at where to get royalty-free images from Unsplash. There's actually a plugin that integrates right into your website. So as you're creating blog posts and pages and content, you can just pull images directly into your pages as you build them. So anyway, let's head over to our plugins. So we're going to open up our plugins and we're going to click Add New. We're going to go to the WordPress plugin directory, and then we're going to search one click. So the full name of it is Instant Images One Click Unsplash and Pixabay Upload. So it actually syncs together Pixabay and Unsplash. So if you didn't know, these are two giant sites that have a ton of awesome royalty-free images. So if you just want to search Unsplash or Pixabay, it should pull it up as well. Let's click Install Now. And now let's click Activate. So now that we have that installed and activated, we're going to come to a page. We'll just open up all of our pages, and you could use the images on your Handsome Checkout pages. You can use it on any content, but we're just going to create a page here. So let's open up our demo page. So here we are, guys, on the back end of that demo page. We are going to be using the Gutenberg builder to add our content. So we're just going to put / and then we're going to select the template library. I'm using generate blocks, so I have a bunch of different pre-built elements I can kind of jump into. So let's select some sections to kind of build our page. And you can see that now I have a basic page set up, and it's basically pre-built. Now I can just pop in and edit all of my settings over here, but we're just looking at the backgrounds. That's what we really want to edit right now. So let's click into background. You can see that we have just the generate blocks default image in there. Let's click browse. And then you'll notice that I have an Instant Images tab up here. So I have Uploads, Media Library, and Instant Images. Now that I've clicked on Instant Images, you can see that we have Unsplash and Pixabay there. You can come and select Pixabay if you want. It is going to prompt you to add an API key. And if you just click this link, it will take you to their site so you can create a free account. So it is free, no big problem there. But I'm not going to worry about doing that right this moment. I'm just going to search up. Let's look for some mountains. So we're just going to look at some different mountains that we could put as our background to our hero section. So let's come up and let's just select this image right here. This is a really nice looking image. So we will click right there. That is going to download and actually add it to our media library. So now you can see that image has actually been added there. Let's click select. And now it's been swapped out for our background image. We can even do this with people if we wanted to have some placeholders. Here we are with the testimonial. Now, this one has an image, but if it didn't, we could swap that out. So let's click on this image. Let's click replace. Let's open our media library. And then we could click on instant images once again. We could say smile and just look up somebody who's smiling. We could grab whatever image we want and insert that directly into our testimonial. So you can see how easy and fast that is, guys, to add images. It's a great tool if you're just kind of mocking out a site, and you can use any of these for the final site as well. There's no issue with that. Hey guys, so I decided I did want to run us through adding Pixabay just as well. So it's just nice to have that many more images. So let's just click on Pixabay and then let's click Get API Key Now. It's going to bring us to the API documentation. If we click Get Started and we just scroll down, you'll see there's this green section right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. There you can see we have our API key. So if you just highlight that API key, copy it, and then come back to our Pixabay information, we verify it. Now you can see it's actually been validated. Now we can just swap between Unsplash or Pixabay and easily add in any image that we want just by clicking on it and selecting it. And there you can see our background image has been swapped out once more. Now we have access to not only Unsplash, the entire library there, but also Pixabay. So super cool, very useful. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, throw a thumbs up on this video, subscribe, because I'm going to be creating tons more content that's just going to help you manage your WordPress and your WooCommerce website. My name is Sterling with Handsome WP, and we've built a suite of plugins that work with WooCommerce to help you make more money. We have one called One Click Upsell that actually helps you run upsells and downsells on your WooCommerce products, and then we have another one called Handsome Checkout, which helps you retheme your checkout and build one page WooCommerce sales pages and all kinds of really cool stuff. We have pre-built templates, and it's all been tested for conversion. So if you're interested in that, I will have those links down in the description below. If you have any video requests, be sure to drop those in the comments as well. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video.